Every production backend has a job queue, email delivery, webhook processing, background pipelines. They all depend on systems like Redis, SQS, and RabbitMQ. We have all used them, centralized, trusted, and expensive. What if the queue itself was trustless? That too on Solana. We have the answer right here. I rebuilt a production-grade job queue entirely as an on-chain Solana program. Any producer can enqueue a task. Any registered worker in the world can claim and process it without trusting anyone, enforced by the program itself. You can see right here. These queues are live on DevNet right now. Anyone watching can open this link and interact with them. You can see the metrics chart. This has the pending processing and completed tasks right here. Tasks aren't stored in a flat list. They live in a native binary max heap baked in a queue PDA. All again priority ordering enforced on-chain. Let me just enqueue a task. I just say no task 1. I decide the priority level as 20 and just enqueue it. We can also decide on which task does this one depend right here. I just confirm it. And as you can see, the task is enqueued. I just go here and here we have it. We have the instruction, what we did right now. Also, I can enqueue another task. Let's say priority 45. I just enqueued 2 tasks as you can see right here. Here, our real-time queue metrics have changed. This program pops the highest priority task first every time, not because I wrote client-side logic, because the Solana program enforces it. That's an on-chain transaction, as I have showed you right here. Immutable and verifiable by anyone and everyone. Let me show you the worker leaderboard. See the worker, this node has been registered. If I want some other task, I can start right here from the workspace. If I initialize a new queue, I'll create a new worker. I'll just initialize it and it will start working again. Say we just go back here again. This isn't just a demo, it's production infra. Rate limiting we have as per queue. Configurable sliding window enforced on-chain at program level. Circuit breakers. Any queue authority can pause the entire queue, instantly halting all enqueues and processing. On-chain event emission. Every task lifecycle change fires a structured event, giving indexes and front-end real-time telemetry without polling. The chart is live reading live on-chain data, no backend, no database. As you can see right here, we have all these tasks, the processing tasks right here for this job. Let me just go back. And this was the one we were working with. As you can see, we have 1 completed, 4 pending, and 1 processing job. We can process the job right here. We can just click process next priority queue. And you can see the one with the highest priority got executed first. Now, let me show you something else. This. The economics are the real story. We know that the AWS SQS plus workers plus Redis, that's $250 to $500 a month just for infra. On Solana, processing 10,000 tasks only costs $30 and the rent deposit is fully refunded when tasks close. You literally get your money back. Let me just go back to the repo. As you can see right here, we have programs, tests, benchmarks, and the GitHub workflow. The code base is production grade end-to-end. Anchor program with 8 instructions, a full CLI client, a React dashboard, property-based first test, proving the max heap invariant holds across 50 random priorities, a load benchmarking soup, CI/CD on GitHub Actions, Docker for local dev. The link is live, the code is open, and every claim I have made is verifiable on-chain. You can just visit this link and start doing in-game tasks yourself. It's on the GitHub. This is what Web2 infrastructure looks like when you rebuild it with Solana's guarantee. No trust required. Thank you.